Every morning, Maya started her day with the same routine. Check her phone, scroll through messages, open social media, and sip her coffee. She didn't think much about it. To her, these were just small habits, normal parts of modern life. One evening, while attending an online seminar called The Hidden Life of Data, Maya heard something that startled her. Every photo you post, every like you click, and every search you make, it all becomes part of your digital footprint. The speaker explained that our digital footprint is like an invisible trail we leave behind whenever we go online. It records where we've been, what we've liked, and even how long we spend looking at a picture. Maya was fascinated and a little worried. She had never thought about where all her data went. She quickly searched her own name on the internet. The results shocked her. Old comments from high school, forgotten blog posts, and dozens of photos she didn't remember uploading. Her heart raced. "All of this is me?" she whispered. But it was pieces of her online life scattered across websites, apps, and servers around the world. That night she couldn't sleep. She began to wonder how much of her online self matched the real her. Was she truly choosing what people saw, or just following what the internet wanted her to share? Determined to learn more, Maya began what she called her digital detox project. She spent a week tracking everything she did online, every click, search, and post. By the third day, she was shocked to see how many hours she spent on apps that didn't make her happy. The more she looked, the more she realized the internet was like a mirror, reflecting who she was, but also a maze, designed to keep her wandering forever. Ads followed her everywhere, showing products she had only mentioned once. It was both amazing and creepy. Maya read about algorithms, systems that learn from your behavior to predict what you'll do next. They recommend videos, suggest music, even shape opinions. "So the internet knows me better than I do?" she murmured. To test this, she decided to trick the algorithm. For 1 week, she searched for things she didn't like: camping, spicy food, classical music. Within days, her entire feed changed. It was like living in a different online world. Maya laughed but also felt uneasy. If I can change what the internet shows me so easily, maybe it's also changing me. She realized her digital footprint wasn't just about data. It was a reflection of her choices, her emotions, her time. By the end of the week, Maya deleted a few old accounts, updated her privacy settings, and started thinking more carefully before posting. She didn't want to disappear from the internet, just to be more intentional about how she existed there. Months passed, and Maya's relationship with technology transformed. She no longer scrolled mindlessly or shared every moment. Instead, she used digital tools to learn, connect, and create. Her social media became a small gallery of meaningful stories. Her travels, her art, her thoughts on sustainability. Her friends noticed the change. "You post less, but everything you share feels real," one said. Maya smiled. I guess I'm learning to leave better footprints. She also began teaching younger students about online awareness. She showed them how to check privacy settings, spot fake news, and understand how their data could be used. Technology isn't bad, she told them, but we must learn to walk wisely in the digital world. One student asked, "Can we ever delete our digital footprint completely?" Maya paused. "Not really," she said gently, "but we can shape it the same way we shape our lives." That evening, she reflected on her journey, from being a passive user to a conscious digital citizen. She had discovered a new kind of power, the power of choice. Before bed, she opened her journal and wrote, "Every click is a voice. Every post is a reflection. Every moment online builds the story of who I am. The key is to make that story worth telling." And as she closed her laptop, Maya smiled. She wasn't escaping the digital world anymore. She was learning to decode it.